Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I'm Joe Teagay. Let's jump right into it as the market is having a bit of a reversal this morning. We saw the NASDAQ up over 1% in the morning after some weaker than expected economic data. Now as the day's gone on, we started to get some Fed speak. We got the beige book later today and more Fed speak as the day goes on. The market is trading lower. The NASDAQ is down 0.5%. Will this turn into a key reversal? We'll have to wait and see how we close. Now the key reversal for me is a reversal in the trend. The last week or so, we saw a fantastic run in the NASDAQ. We've had 7 straight updates. It hasn't happened since 2021. So certainly that's a big bullish move for the NASDAQ. Is it going to turn into a reversal? We're going to trade lower. We'll have to wait and see. Again, a lot of news still coming out. The VIX, for its part, is now 19. That's certainly on the lower end of the range. And it's fascinating to see this potential reversal happening right at these critical levels. You look at the S&P 500, we're right at the 200-day moving average, and we're right at that all-important trend line, the most watched trend line in the history of trend lines. Everybody's been talking about it. Are we going to break above it? Are we going to reverse off of it? Again, we'll have to wait and see how it goes. Now, if you go back to 22 when we reversed off of this trend line, it happened when the VIX was lower. It happened potentially on either Fed or inflation news. So that's a sign maybe we should be cautious. However, if you look at 22, each time we saw those little bit of rallies, we saw staples significantly outperforming discretionary. People were buying stocks, but they were looking at the safe harbor plays. They weren't looking at the risk-on plays. This year is different. Discretionary is outperforming in a big way, thinking about stocks like Amazon or Tesla. The semiconductors are really the leaders right now in the market, and that's a good risk-on trade. So this time is a little bit different. We'll have to wait and see, can we finally crack and stay above that 200-day moving average? Can we finally crack and stay above that trend line, which has been so hard to stay above for the S&P 500? For the rest of the month, I'm watching the VIX closely. February seasonally is a higher volatility month. We're past the new year. We're past a lot of holidays. February tends to be a weaker month for the market, so be watching out for that. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Teagay.